Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, once the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar Swiss, I mean, this move up is actually looking very sideways corrective. But if you look, we definitely do have a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame, so we should potentially be looking for longs. This move up right here, I would say, looks more like a trend. Almost could be like a wave one of wave C, like I was saying before. I mean, this looks like an A, this looks like a B. Um, Sorry, this looks like an A, this looks like a B, and it looks like we're going up for a wave C. So this could be a one of wave C, and this could potentially be one, two, three down for like a two, and then it goes up and makes a three of wave C. Definitely seems pretty likely, and if we zoom out a little bit, I still think that the 61 and the 78% is a very likely target before we potentially may even end up continuing the higher time frame downtrend. Just be aware that all the higher time frames are definitely in a downtrend, even though we may come up with a reason to go long. It may or may not work out when you're going against a higher time frame trend. More times than not, when you're going against a higher time frame trend, the price will just go and go and go. And if you're trying to counter trend trade, you may end up losing. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.